Introducing the all-new lightweight folding power wheelchair, the Jazzy Carbon. When you receive your Jazzy Carbon, it will arrive in one box. Remove the 4 white plastic clips that secure the box to the base simply by squeezing the clips together and pull them upward as seen in the video. There are 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Lift the box straight up and set aside. Remove the Jazzy Carbon from the base and discard the cardboard, plastics, and styrofoam protecting the unit. 2 cardboard boxes under the unit will contain the joystick and the battery charger. Behind the footplate is the lithium battery wrapped in styrofoam. The Jazzy Carbon will ship with the following contents: lithium battery charger, joystick, and owner's manual. To set up the Jazzy Carbon, unfold the unit by releasing the Velcro strap that secures the footplate when folded. Then lay the unit down and unfold the Jazzy Carbon. Next, you will attach the joystick by sliding the joystick arm into the left or right arm pad tube. If the joystick is going on the left side, remove the plug and insert the plug on the right arm tube. Connect the joystick cable to the bus cable by aligning the arrows and screw together. Tighten the thumb screw under the armrest to secure the joystick to the arm. Secure the joystick cable to the clips on the armrest and the backrest of the Jazzy Carbon. The joystick has a built-in XLR port so you can charge the battery without removing it from the unit, and a USB port so you can charge small electronic devices. Next, attach the battery by simply sliding the battery in the battery tray and lock into place. The lithium battery is airline compliant. Turn on the unit to make sure there is power. Test to make sure that the unit moves forwards, backward, left, and right. Press the speed buttons to make sure the speed indicator goes down and up. The Jazzy Carbon is set up with a reverse beep when going in reverse. To remove this feature, simply press the horn button and the lowest speed button at the same time. Wait until you hear a beep. This will disengage the reverse beep. Test the horn to make sure it's working properly. To put the unit in freewheel, pull down on the red levers on the rear wheels. This will allow the unit to move freely if needed. The Jazzy Carbon comes with adjustable anti-tip wheels. Press the clip and pull on the anti-tip wheel and set to your desired setting. The suspension on the front casters allows for a smoother ride. The Jazzy Carbon armrests can be raised simply by pressing the red button on the outside of the armrests. This allows the user to transfer from either side of the unit if needed. The Jazzy Carbon comes with an adjustable seat belt. The cushion on the seat can be removed simply by pulling up on the cushion. The cushion has a zipper in the back to remove the foam so that you can wash the cover. Only air dry the cover. An option to upgrade to a Simplicity G cushion is also available. The Jazzy Carbon has ample storage located under the seat and on the back of the seat where you can store the battery charger and personal belongings. When folding or transporting the unit, disconnect the joystick wire from the bus cable and loosen the thumb screw under the armrest so you can store the joystick in the underseat storage. In the rear of the unit, you will find the locking mechanism that will allow the unit to fold. Lift the lever and fold the unit downward. Lift the unit in the standing position and secure the footplate using the Velcro strap. The Jazzy Carbon has a 300-pound weight capacity and weighs 43.6 pounds with the battery attached, and 39.6 pounds with the battery removed. The Jazzy Carbon goes 3.7 miles per hour and is made of carbon fiber, making it one of the lightest power wheelchairs in the industry for traveling.